Then I'm going to plug in 2. Then I'll subtract them, okay? So I'm plugging in 4. Then I'm plugging in 2. Then I subtract them. Okay, so f of 4 is going to be a 3 times 4 squared minus 2 times 4. That's f of 4. Minus f of 2, which is going to be my 3 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2. Okay? That's my f of 4 minus my f of 2, and I just need to simplify it, okay? Let's see, 16 times 3 I think is 48. 48 minus 8 is 40. I think that's 40. And again, we could use our calculator if we really wanted to. All right, we can go, what is 3 times 4 squared minus 2 times 4, and I got 40, okay? Minus, let's see, that's going to be 4, 12. 12 minus 4 should be 8. Okay, and again, if you're not sure, just use your calculator to get those numbers, okay? And then 40 minus 8 is 32. Okay, that's my net. That's my net. So then my average is going to be the f of 4 minus f of 2 divided by its interval, which is 4 minus 2. Okay, now I already know the first answer. That's my average. So take my net and divide it by your interval. So to find my average, I got 32, right? So let's take 32 and divide it by my interval, which is 4 minus 2. So you take your answer of your net and divide it by your interval. Your interval is from 4 to 2. So then that's 32 divided by 2, which is 16. Okay? Capiche? Okay, and we're almost ready for the hard one. All right. Here we go. So let's do the average rate from A to A plus, from A to A plus H. Okay? All right, here we go. I'll go slowly. So we have f of x equals my 3x squared minus 2x. Okay? So first, I'll say all three of them, then I'll do it. Okay? I'm going to plug in a plus h. Then I'll plug in a, subtract them, right? And then divide the whole thing by a plus h minus a, okay? So I'm going to plug in a plus h first, okay? And I'll write it up here. I'm going to plug in f of a plus h minus f of a divided by a plus h minus a. Okay, that's what I'm going to do, okay? Plug in a plus h, minus it from f of a, and subtract a plus h minus a. Okay, so that's just doing the average, what we've always done. Plug it in, subtract, and divide by the interval. Okay, so you ready? Here we go. All right, I'm going to go 3 times a plus h squared minus 2 times a plus h. Okay, I'm going to go step by step. So what I've done is plugged in a plus h in for x. First step, okay? Plugged in a plus h in for both, okay? Then I'm going to subtract. Am I going too fast? My f of a. So I'm going to plug in my a. A is going to go in for x's, so I'm going to go 3a squared minus 2a, all right? So I plug the a in for x's, okay? And I'm going to divide this whole big ugly thing by a plus h minus a, okay? Now I think what will help you when you're ready is I think what would help you on your note card or somewhere, try and put this somewhere on your note card, okay? Try and put that a plus h squared is equal to a squared plus 2ah plus h squared. Okay, we've done that multiplication several times. But if you can have that written on your note card, then you don't have to worry about doing the FOIL. You can just write that down, because that's what we're going to write in this spot right here, okay? We're going to rewrite this as a squared plus 2ah plus h squared, okay? So if that's on your note card, then you don't have to worry about multiplying this times this times that, so on and so forth, okay? So let's simplify. Easiest simplification I see is here. Boom, boom. Okay, you guys all right with that? Cancel those? You guys agree with that? A and negative a? Here then, we are going to have a 3 times an a squared plus a 2ah plus an h squared. Because I remember, just multiplied that all out, but I skipped a step. I already knew what that was. Then minus 2a minus 2h. I just went that times that times that, okay? That times that times that, okay? Now, I'm going to subtract a 3a squared, and I'm going to subtract a negative or plus a 2a, okay? Subtract, and a double negative makes positive, okay? All over h. Whew, you getting tired of this problem yet? Yeah. Wait till you go to calculus. You guys are going to do a lot of this. So, I'm going to distribute that times that times that times that. Okay with that? So, I have a 3a squared plus a 6ah plus a 3h squared minus a 2a minus a 2h minus a 3a squared plus a 2a all over h. I'll let you catch up, okay? All that. Man, what a pain. But things are going to start dropping out real quick, okay? We're going to start canceling some things out. Now, I told you before, and I'll tell you again, that everything back here should cancel, right? Everything back here should cancel. If it doesn't cancel, you made a mistake somewhere, okay? So, right way up here, I've got a 3a squared. We'll cancel with this negative 3a squared, right? Right here, I have a negative 2a. We'll cancel with this positive 2a. So those will cancel, okay? It's going to start looking better now. So then what do I have left? A 6ah plus a 3h squared minus a 2h all over h. Okay? How am I doing? I am so close to being done. I'm going to common factor out an h so I think I can cancel the h's, okay? I'm going to take out an h so I can cancel the h's. So I have an h times a 6a plus a 3h minus 2 all over h, right? And then just cancel the h's. What I'm left with is the answer. So what is this ugly answer? It is a 6a plus a 3h minus 2. Newton would be very proud of you, okay? All right, any particular questions? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop recording this if I can find my little thing. There we go. All right.